All right. Make sure nothing broke. That would suck. Kind of looks all to be intact. Okay, so we got to do a hurt animation for where the bee gets knocked back when it hits you. So we'll do that first. We need the animated sprite frames, the hurt. We got to add in the hurt that I just made earlier. Where is the hurt? The enemy. That. Art enemies, be enemy, be hurt. I don't want any verticals. Maybe we'll make it 6. Yep, something like that. Open the script. Now, when it's hurt, we got to do that thing, that animation thing. Idle wander. Just copy this. And we will stick it in here. Gotta save that though, or else it's not going to do the thing. All right, let's see how that goes. Are they going to play it like I want? No. What the fuck? Be hurt. We don't want that. Player, play, be hurt. Oh, look at that. If knockback, shit. If knockback direction, X. Man, who is barking? Why are you not playing the animation though? I mean, it's acting right, but it's not playing that animation. Anim player, play, be hurt. That is what it's called. Be hurt. knock back. Player position. Knock back direction. Flip it through. Okay. Why are you not playing? Why? Pourquoi? Let's change up the fucking beats a little bit. Oh. Wait a minute. I wonder, does that change anything? There it is. Yes. Finally. Something's working. Oh, you bitch. Oh, come on. Hmm. I need to make some sort of an attack so that we can actually hurt some things without just jumping on them. That seems too Mario-like to me. I really would like him to have like an attack. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Josh, mate. I need you to answer me. Whatever. I'll commit that. And it's hard to say what to do next. So he's doing the parallax layers and like building a new level. Hmm. Let's see here. Finished. Oh no, we aren't finished. Should really make a death scene for it. That's what we should do. How would we do that? You know? How would I do that? Death animation for the bee. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I'm not doing any changes yet. When the bee is done, I'm gonna work on the player. So it back to the app. Okay, so that's the good question. How am I gonna do the death? Gotta have some sort. Gotta have some sort of something. Gotta have a something. Let's open a sprite. Be hurt. New file, 32 by 32. All right, so how are we gonna make this thing fucking animate so that it's dying? Okay, so he's grabbing lunch. Added hurt animation. Still needs death. NM. Okay, we're gonna merge that. Not into main, we're gonna do it to mo test grounds. Confirm the merge. Go into more B. That's where I was, right? More B. Yeah. Fetch origin. Okay. be a good way of doing some sort of a death end. Hmm. That actually, you know what? Okay. Maybe it just starts like that and then it'll grow. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like poof in a cloud of smoke. We could do that. Get rid of that. Do a new one. We'll move it over. Fuck your color picker. Make it so I can actually see it. Bitch. We'll do the next frame. No, not that far away. Oh, don't do that. And what the fuck did I change here? Who knows? Anyways, yeah, we'll do the next one. Hmm. Do this. We'll just start it over. Yeah, we'll make it about that big. Move that over. Something like that. Something like that. So I want. What the fuck? Yeah. I want that one be on top. This one be. No. No. Back that up. Oop. We want that one to be behind it. That one to be in front. Front. This one is going to be on top of that one. Boom. I kind of like that. Hmm. Wonder what happens when I do that. Now, color wise, And we're going to do a new frame. Okay, so that's how we're going to do this. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to paste in that guy. Yep. And we will duplicate that 5 times. New frame, new frame, new frame, new frame. Okay, now we will go back to 1. Copy that, or actually, damn, what a good shot. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Take it, put it here. Okay, so we're actually going to make that smaller? No. The fuck just happened? And then this one. Oh, you bitch. This one will make bigger. We will fix some things. Oh, you bitch. That's what I'm looking for. Anywhere else look dumb? Hey, how's that play out? You like that? All right. So we will save. Call that B death. Save that file. Export. Sprite sheet. Output file. Boom. All right. Get rid of that. Come in here. What the fuck? Scene. Reload. Excuse you. Be enemy, be hurt. We're gonna delete those frames. We're going to add, be enemy. Oh, why did I get rid of that? Dumbass. The fuck? Project reload. What the fuck? Don't save. Reload the project. Come on back. Come on back now. Thank you. Okay, we gotta add that sprite that we just made. We'll put it in. Add that to be enemy. And we'll go like this. Heart, enemies, be enemy, be death. What the fuck? That's interesting. There we go. Oh, we didn't want to do that. Not to that. We wanted to add a fucking be death. Add that in. Oh, nope. It goes like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. All right. That looks about right. Okay. Let's save that. We'll go over here. And handle death. Anim sprite. Play. Be death. Fuck off. Okay, let's see what happens. Nothing. Expect signal or routine after wait. How did we check if that was finished? Um, 5. Player and game, pause the and animation finished. That's what I thought. That's what I thought it was. Something to do with a wait. Wait dot anim sprite dot animation. Play death. Wait. Sprite dot animation finished. And do that. All right. So that could have done something. Let's check. You should be dead. Why the fuck? Of course it's not going to work. That is not a looping animation. This is quite true. You don't want it to loop. Okay, so that, I think, is how that's supposed to work. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like almost doing it, sort of doing it. It knows it should, but it's not changing into death again. Why? Current state, if the health. Yeah, what the fuck? Hmm. You should be dead. Oh, it did. It did something. Two, three, four, five. You should be dead. You should. Oh, it did something there. Okay, okay. There's something going on here. We got something to work with here. Um, Oh, Joshy boy. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, mate. You need to die. And why you're not dying, I don't know. Hmm. Play animate. Wait here until I finish. Play and cuts. Play cutscene. Away. Ends. Get health. Take damage. Health. Minus health. Yeah, I need to do it as a mission. Go. Uh-oh. What's all going on? Okay, time to unveil the hell that is my workspace and undo what I did last night for stable, like, the fun save itself. Okay, I'm just on the death. My dev should be up to date. You should be dead, bro. The health. Like, oh, why won't it, await animation finished? But why is it not doing that? Why? What the fuck happened? literally could be something. If the health less than or equal to 0, current state, death. Okay. Why aren't you disappearing? Nothing there. Handle health. This should be at the top. Why is that all fucked up? Ah, here. You should be gone. If be health. Knock back. Back direction. The death. Wait animation finish. That's supposed to be a fucking thing. No, okay, so it's not a function. It is not a function. If the health. think what I just did might have fixed something. Boom, boom, boom. Do it. Do the thing. Not doing the thing. Okay. Okay. Put that in the physics process. Look at that. That's what I want. That's fucking it right there, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Handle hurt. Play anim. Handle death. Do a knockback there. Knockback. Player. Global position. Two, three, four, 5. Yes. That is what I'm fucking talking about, man. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. Hell yeah. One, two, three, four, 5. I just, something about that moment. That right there. When things just work. That's when I really like game development. What the fuck? Knockback. 48. Handle death. 140. Player. Hmm. Where is that? Quick reload. Hmm. Health pickup. Strange. Global position on base nil. Hurt detect. I mean, we could Would it work if I put it in the detection thing? I wonder. Because like right now it's not. It ain't working. Yeah, I should probably be in. We'll get rid. Cut that out of there. Hurt detection, body, B health minus. Right? If that still works. Hmm. Two, three, four, five. Why does it go through twice? Not bad. Hmm. Let's try that again. Why are you going through it all? I don't understand it. That's better. Why? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Leave my changes. Branch. Don't be afraid of naming conventions. I was not. Finished. B. Hmm. That's interesting. Hey, what up? Oh, it's okay. Just doing bees and fucking playing video games and shit. Although this thing really pissed me off for sure. I got it figured out. The bee. Yeah. Right? Oh, okay. Right? Well, that's what I've literally had the same thought. Like I was like looking at it, I was like, man, it kind of looks like completely different fucking art styles. It's kind of weird. And then I was like, but the whole fucking game is about a mushroom trip. So really it's who gives a fuck? Yeah. Yeah, it's just it's hard for me to match your art in A Sprite. Right? Fair.
For a game jam, I don't know, man. We
Yeah.
can make it feel intentional just by way of a mushroom trip. So pretty easy solution.
I am like live right now. Do you care that I would like share your fucking
Nope.
voice and shit?
Nope. Not at all.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Actually, that was pretty cool. You can do that. Like I think I watched one of your streams once, and you were just chipping away at some Java or one of your website projects or something. Kind of cool.
They can be boring and shit, but sometimes I've had people come in and like had like a decent conversation, that
Really?
sort of shit. Yeah.
Is it vibe with you or what?
Yeah.
Damn, cool.
Yeah.
Good to see people are willing to chat out there, you know?
Well, I'm more just in it makes me laugh a little bit on the inside because I'm like a pretty boring person. Like when I get really thinking and internal in my thoughts, like I don't really express it,
Yeah, you're more quiet, like
right?
more right.
So sometimes I'll like sit there and I'm like, ah, fuck, I haven't said anything in like a while.
I
But
used to
then
do
I'll
that
look and
too.
somebody's like messaging me in the chat and I'm like, oh,
Oh
whoops.
man, dude. One time, I've only streamed maybe 5 or 10 times, but when I was into it, um, I once had like 3 viewers, and I was watching on my phone to like monitor it. I didn't even realize I counted as one of my own viewers, right? So
Yeah,
I'm like, holy shit, there's 3 people in here. I'm like talking to them. One of them is me, which I wasn't aware of at the time. And then somebody started messaging the chat, and I was super focused on Fortnite or whatever. I completely missed it, and I felt like a piece of shit because like it was the only time someone ever spoke to me on Twitch, and I missed it.
that's crazy.
So I'm like, how do streamers do it? They obviously have like
Well,
to invest in a small mic and maybe like a monitor for that
yeah, I
stream
have a separate
specifically.
monitor. I have a vertical monitor and a horizontal monitor.
Oh,
So in my
cool. Yeah, I'm a
vertical
big
monitor,
fan
I
of the
put
verticals.
like my streaming shit and my VS Code stuff.
Hmm.
And then on my widescreen, I put on my Godot. And then when I switch between scenes, it switches between the screens and it only captures the VS Code and the Godot.
Oh, you use OBS?
Yeah,
You just screen lock?
yeah.
Nice, dude. Yeah, that's clean.
So yeah, I have like a whole setup, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's
I
fucking awesome.
technically I've been streaming for years. I just never really stick with it. I always end up fucking forgetting that I even do it. And then I'm like,
Yeah.
oh shit, I should probably stream.
Yeah.
Like I used to stream on YouTube, but they
On
didn't.
YouTube, hey?
Yeah, but they don't have like I can stream and play music on Spotify with Twitch, and you can stop the stream from saving the music file, like the sound of the music, so you can actually
Yeah.
keep your VODs and everything, and you don't get like when it comes out on in Twitch and they save the VOD, the music isn't there, so I don't get fucking banned.
Nice.
Whereas YouTube,
That's
you need to
cool.
like create a whole playlist of music that's stream safe and fucking like a
Oh my
whole
god.
nother investment on that end. So I'm just like,
Man,
fuck
I
it.
can't be fucked to even research that stuff. Like,
I
I
got
would,
into it when COVID was like a thing. So I was like
so this,
bored
yeah,
and played a lot of
it,
video games.
that was kind of the peak time for that stuff, hey?
It really was. I mean, now it's not too bad. Like, really, it's just
Yeah.
the fact that this is such a
Never,
niche fucking genre.
never is a bad time, if we're being honest.
This is true.
Everyone's different, right? Like, it's about effort, ultimately.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I hear you. I'm gonna do Forest Dark Parallax. Yeah, that's good. I'm almost done setting up Parallax again, by the way. I'm gonna just upload it, and then you're free to fucking do your shit.
Okay. I'm just sitting on my test branch. It's up to date with everything with the B and everything. So
Nice.
I just
Oh,
made
with the new death animation?
yeah,
Okay.
which is fucking sick. I
Oh,
give
yeah,
it
I'm excited to
I,
check that out.
I give it knockback, and while it's knocking back, it like explodes in like a poof of smoke.
That's fucking sexy.
It is.
I like that.
It's kind of cool actually.
Is it like shreds of bee flying everywhere, or is it just a little poof, like
Just a
white
little
poof?
poof.
Nice. I like that.
That would be cool to put some shreds of bee everywhere, but
One day, maybe we'll get
one
to
day
that.
I'll get to it eventually.
Mhm.
I fully intend on like continuing to work on this after the game jam.
Me too, man. And like in light of our last project, it's like what a fucking asswipe that last project was. But then I open it up and I'm like, yeah, this is my baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this now. I love this. So it could go either way with us, man. Like I'm open to work on anything with you. I just feel like if we join another game jam next month, that kind of takes the focus.
Right.
But I'm not so mad about that. Like this is the most effort I've put in this in 5 years. So this is awesome.
I just can't wait to get like one level that actually works. You know,
Yeah,
like
like a
full of
full yeah.
yeah, full of enemies. It's got the fucking uh
Mhm.
the wave game somewhere in it, you know?
I was thinking, let's just apply that as the transition for everything. Like you want to talk to the tree, you're using that. You want to push his roots around, you're using that. You want to fucking enter the next part of the forest, you're using that. And each time I call it, I'm just going to tweak it. This time it's vertical waves, right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
time this time you can have values between 5 and 10 instead of 3 and 4 or something like that. Um yeah, there's ways. I could also add rotation. We could have full diagonal waves. Um, I could even make a whole alternate mini game, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'd rather just start assembling levels and kind of putting our puzzle pieces together, building the
Mhm.
bigger picture at this point.
Yeah. It would also be cool if like eventually we put in like static body or are they static bodies or they just be air? But like pieces of ground like a rock or something that you like push off a cliff that
Yes,
hits something else and like opens
yes,
up some
yes.
like that sort of shit. Like
I also, because our original art is 2K by 2K, I kind of want to lean into the vertical aspect a little bit. I love that you can abuse the bee mechanic and fucking fly to the top of the map. Like,
yeah. It is pretty
I
cool.
almost
But you only get
yeah.
five hops on it before it fucking dies.
Oh, you changed it?
Yeah, I gave it health, so it hits you. It can hit you up to 5 times
Yeah.
and just take you the fuck out. But if you're like, I'm gonna make it so if you're on top, like if the player's vector Y isn't like going down when you touch it,
Yeah.
it doesn't hurt you. That's what I was gonna work on next.
Oh, he doesn't hurt me at all actually right now. Oh
No,
wait, I
he
guess
he
you
doesn't hurt you at all at the moment.
I see, I
It's
see.
all on the player side that it's got to be done.
I can't
Hold up,
even
1 second.
fly on him. Oh, I'm back on him. Yeah, dude. Yeah, my girlfriend's doing the same thing. Yeah. Fuck this. Like, yeah, I hate tests, so truly. Ooh, that was not the right thing to do. What's that?
My
Sorry,
mic
dude.
was my mic was fucking muted, but somehow you could hear me.
A what?
Yeah,
Might be on some OBS shit. Uh, taking taking priority of a mic or something.
what is my
I sh-
what
It's
the
weird that you were muted though. Like
yeah,
I shouldn't be able to hear anything.
video and voice setting. Oh,
Oh yeah, dude, this looks fucking
that would be
so.
why it was set up fucking for my headset, which is cool because now I know my headset doesn't fucking mute.
Oh, nice.
Good to know. Good to know.
Yeah, yeah. Always helpful.
Ugh.
Fucking so sick.
Wonder how shitty my picture.
Okay, and now after that,
Hey, that's a way better license. Last one. That's spiffy. That's like you knew. God damn.
okay, we'll do 115, and then we'll do a buck 30, and then we'll do repeat size rate. Mhm. Wait, music.
Fresh IDs, man. Now I can go to the bar again.
Nice,
I
dude.
got ID'd for
Oh,
the
I
first
forgot.
time going to a bar right after they took my shit away.
Yeah,
And I was like, man, I'm I'm probably just as old as you, or if not older. Like,
your bartender's 18.
like what the fuck?
Yeah, yeah, I hear you.
Just gotta ask him a good question that only somebody my age would know.
Right, like how the Raps lost that game in the great game of 18.
It'd be even simpler. It'd be like, do you know what Fraggle Rock is?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or just admit like I don't know what 6-7 is.
No,
I
well,
don't know
no, I
that.
do know what that means. I just think it's stupid as fuck.
Oh, okay.
I am terminally on the internet, so I mean, I guess I know what it
Okay.
means, but I don't endorse that fucking brain rot.
I don't know what it is. I do wonder
It's
what
it's
that's about.
it has to do with the periodic table of elements. I'm pretty sure.
Huh. Is it which element is it referring to? The
6
sixth,
and
the
7.
seventh? Okay, so that's what carbon, like oxygen, and what's after oxygen? Nitrogen
I have no
or
clue.
fluorine?
I have no clue.
What's so sick about that?
I have no fucking clue. Here, you know what? I'll ask ChatGPT right now because
Yeah, why do people care? Yeah, I guess is what we need to figure out here.
what the fuck is
Say, what's a
6?
67?
Yeah, continue with that. Thank you. The fuck? No, I'm not giving. What the shit? Log me out. Okay. The fuck is 6, 7?
What is 6-7?
Why the fuck are kids obsessed with it?
What's a sigma?
What the? What's ligma? It comes from okay. It comes from a rat song by Skrilla. Doot doot 6-7. Repeatedly says 6-7. Super catchy track. Short answer: not much. Been embraced because it's purposely meaningless. Okay, so it's like
Wow.
everything else. It's just like
Purpose.
everything else, man.
Yeah. Fucking purposefully meaningless, huh?
Yeah, love that. Okay, I could get behind that. That's no different than like YouTube poops.
Mm,
Like fucking fire in my laser. Wow.
this can't be right. What the fuck? How's that even?
What?
Ooh. I just forgot to add a repeat
Mm,
to the map, so it did not feel infinite anymore. I was
mm,
very sad.
I see.
But now it's back, bro.
Oh, we're so fucking back.
We're so back. Okay, I gotta give this to you, and then I gotta check out your B situation as well.
Yeah,
Um,
so I mean, like I said, I think I'm in my test ground sprint,
okay.
which is completely up to date for my
Okay.
shit.
I'm on Parallax branch. I can just update Parallax first because that's the way to do it, right? I'm gonna update Parallax and then I'll move that into I don't know. Maybe I'll start using MoDev tester or something, or I'll just make Bofa test
Yeah,
or something.
you should make both a test. So it'll be we have a main branch, we both have test branches off of that, and then you work from the test branch. As
We
long as
should
the
have a
test branch
combined.
is
We should have a
fucking
merge branch, dude. Because I think that'd save us even more hassle sometimes. Just having the option to like, oh, like Mo and I both branched off this last commit on main, and then you just changed what was it B stuff, but like maybe you saved something in main, and
yeah.
I just did parallax, which like directly affects main, so it's not going to be a clean merge. So it'd be nice to have like a merge branch to kind of handle that, and then I can pull it straight into main once everything's safe. But good call with like a personal dev branch because I don't think I've been using it.
Well,
So
that's just how I don't know. In my brain, I was like, as long as
ma-
we have our test branches up to date with main, then
yeah,
whatever we do should be able to just go into main after it's tested on the test branch and work,
100%.
right?
Yeah. Um.
But I'm still functionally retarded with Git. So
Oh, same, bro. Honestly, I think it's a lifelong thing.
Oh, it's gotta be. There's no way.
Did you see the meme I sent you?
What fucking meme did you send me?
I sent you a meme on Instagram. It's like I don't know if you watch Tim Robinson, but um, funny comedian and made a bit about like he has a show where he just does stupid skits. Someone ripped it and made like a GitHub meme.
I got it.
It's like one of the first coding memes where I genuinely was laughing. I was like, that's how it feels.
That's literally my car.
Really?
Yeah,
No way.
yeah, 2002 Honda Accord.
Nice. But it's just like, wait, like like we're both
Please let
trying to
me
work.
go. Oh,
Yeah.
it's so good. That is true.
Okay, Parallax is set up. Real quick, let me just pull yours and see if I can merge our changes on our own branch here. So you did it in test ground or
Yeah,
something?
yeah. Test ground is the most up to date.
Okay. Git checkout. Test ground checkpoint. I gotta change the name of that. Git pull origin. No. Git batch. Git pull. Oh, I see. So you did more B and then you put that into test ground.
Yeah,
Okay. Git pull origin.
yeah. So
Uh,
I'll always pull off of the test grounds branch to work on whatever because it should be up to date with main.
I see. Git status. Okay. I'm on test ground checkpoint. It matches Mo test ground, so it should now have all the B stuff. So what, they can die now? You
Yep.
said they
Yeah,
poof up.
the bees can die now. You gotta let it hit you 5 times, but they die.
Mhm. That is super sick, dude. Nice. I like that you tightened up how far it'll travel when it bounces as well.
Yeah, and everything's rather tweakable. It's just
Oh yeah. Yeah, during testing phase, we can just export a million variables for everything and see what we like.
yeah.
I love that, dude. The B feels like super polished. That's nice.
I tried making it fast enough that it feels like it's chasing you, but when it
Yeah,
attacks you, you can actually like jump out of the way and dodge it.
sweet. All right. Um,
Oh,
yeah, it
fuck
looks good.
snail. Fuck snail. You died. Oh, fuck yeah.
Switch to parallax. Okay, merge branch. Switch to merge branch based on parallax. So get merge with mm, test ground checkpoint.
But here, okay, so are you wanting to put, like, we got to figure out which one of us is hosting the game on whose itch here. We should probably work on that. It would also help if I could, like, link people to it.
Okay. Um, it's your call, man. I'm happy to host it, but you know, I don't want to make you feel like oh fuck, he's taking credit for the game or some shit. So
No, I don't think you. I don't think you would.
yeah, we'll just do. We can't both host it. The way
I
I
don't.
see
I
it,
don't think we can, because if we're like, I think they have a thing about that.
yeah.
Let me let me do some research on that while you're figuring out your merging and shit.
I actually got pretty good flow for this merge shit, dude. So you and I both have our own sort of dev branch, and then we have a shared merge branch. So basically, what I did is I went to a new branch I just called test, and I pulled the test ground stuff into it, right?
Okay.
Then I went to my parallax branch, which was based off the same thing, but might have also changed main. I just don't know for sure because I didn't make changes on your computer, right? So what I do instead is I just make a branch based off my changes called merge branch. And now that I have this sort of spare branch with all of my changes, I have the original changes safely in the parallax branch. So I'm free to just merge this new merge branch with the stuff that I got from test grounds, and it actually worked fine. So I think I'm gonna push if you wanna check this stuff out. But it looks good on my end.
Okay. Um. So should I do a pull request for test grounds?
I'm just gonna push everything right from my console
Okay.
with my personal access
Okay.
token. Yeah,
You do that.
push.
So we can both have the game on both of our pages. You
Hmm.
just go to the admin and teams section and you add the other teammate as a project admin. The game will
Oh,
automatically show up for both of your itch profiles under your project sections.
now that is cash money.
Okay, so I will go ahead and work on that eventually, and I'll link you as a teammate admin, and it should work fucking awesome. Don't upload the same game separately on two different accounts. They can split traffic, comments, confuse. Absolutely. That's why I was like, we can't do that. So that's fucking cool.
Okay. Well, yeah. If you want to host this one, I'm unbothered.
Well, no, it would be hosted on both of ours. It
Oh,
automatically puts it in your
right.
page too.
Someone just has to start it. It's like how I started the GitHub repo, but it's not just my code in it.
Yeah.
Like I've shared it with you. Oh, okay, that's a good system. Dude, it's working. So
Oh shit.
like we
Oh
have all,
shit.
yeah, we have all your B stuff. We have the parallax background working. Like it looks like shit. I haven't actually finished the art. I just wanted kind of a concept.
So is that in Maine? Can I go to Maine and check it out?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, pull main and I recommend you climb up a little higher to where the tree branches are to really see the difference. Um, but yeah, I think paired with like the tile map stuff and how we're going to be putting like actual brushes and things into the foreground, I think it's going to pair really nice. It's going to look pretty cool. That is.
Your foreground plants and shit,
Mhm.
they have for whatever reason the bee collides with that shit.
That's funny. It probably has something to do with my misunderstanding of collision and tile layers. That's why.
Yo!
What do you think? Yeah, what do you
Yo,
think?
there. Ah, no way. That is so sick.
Go up in the trees. Go up in the trees and check out the how the branches move. Like eventually I could even add like branches swaying. I could make this whole PNG just like a casual animation.
Oh shit, I fell off the map. Fuck.
Yeah, I keep falling as well.
I keep
It'd be nice if we
fucking.
could
I missed.
fly, you can really see it. But yeah, check it out in the 2D zone as well of the TFCN. You get kind of a bigger picture. But it's working ish,
Dude, that is so cool.
right? I made the speed slightly different, not very much, but basically what happened was at first I'd actually entered it as a separate tile map layer, how I'd done all my background art until now, and because it was a 2048 by 2048 file, it was making 16 by 16 squares across the entire image. It's like fucking thousands of tiles.
This is so fucking
So
sick.
yeah, so my workaround was instead of tile maps, I'm just gonna try this parallax shit with raw images, which turns out to be the way to do it.
Yep.
And I could even throw in bigger images if I wanted. So I can make it longer or taller or whatever we need. But that's why I want to lean into the
The height thing
moving
because
up.
it's a tall image.
It's a tall, yeah, it's literally like a tall ass forest, and you're this again, it's like a 2000 by 2000 forest, and you're a 16 by 16 mushroom. So that's why even the tree trunks are fucking massive compared to you.
Oh, that is a
So,
fucking massive image.
right?
Oh,
But
that's so
I,
sick,
oh,
dude.
yeah, scale wise, you're literally traversing the picture. That could just be the world. And I drew that over a year ago. So I'm really happy we found a home for it.
Yeah, dude. I really like that. That
Okay,
looks
good. As
cool.
long as if you're happy with it, I'm happy with it.
That looks really cool.
Sweet. Yeah, and with the bee stuff now, like there's almost a like the game wants you to abuse this mechanic. Like go explore, go higher.
Right? Come here, Mr. B. Or don't, dick.
I bet I could add some smoothing and anti-aliasing for the parallax as well. And I bet it would be fucking smooth if I figured that out.
Ooh, I got a good feeling. Come on. Oh, I just want to ride the bee. It is not as easy as it used to be.
That's because he like I swear he dodges you now, bro. Can sense what you're trying to do.
No, you could still ride it. It just dies eventually. I was just riding it. It works.
Nice.
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
That just adds
Does
so
it
much
even
in.
die? I don't even think it does.
Not for me when I fly up.
Oh,
Nope, we're good. Oh, he like fucking. I flew on his back and he didn't like it. He like ran away from me.
come on. Come on. I want to ride you. Nope. Nope. That's so crazy. Oh, that's so crazy.
Yeah, sorry it fucking took 2 days.
Nah, dude. That's
Um,
fine. I took 2 days to make a character.
dude, sometimes though it's like I'll leave you for 2 days. I come back and the whole game is different. And then it's like, and then you're like, yeah, can you just merge? And I'm like, yeah, 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 like 100%, dude. It just feels like I'm not doing anything. Just
No,
because
you're
I think
good.
the things that I've worked on
It's all
I just
shit that
did.
I've never done before. Like, I don't know how parallax shit works. So, I mean,
Oh, buddy. You want to hear something crazy?
mm,
I wrote a script to handle it
what the
in the
fuck?
last version, and then for this one, because I learned literally in the last update, 5.1, they added a parallax 2D node, or like fairly recently, they add this parallax 2D node. You don't have to code it anymore. It just knows. It just handles it. So I put in two nodes. I called one background, and I called the other parallax 2D mid, as you can see.
Yeah.
And I just changed the rates that they scroll, and they automatically do it. I didn't write any code this time. I don't know how it's working. I just know when the player moves, they both change at different speeds, which
Well,
is
it's
literally
working the exact same way that you wrote it last time. They just did it automatically and now it just runs that sort of script in the node when it's active.
yeah, it's
It's so
nice.
fucking nice. I love that
Yeah.
shit.
And I was like shocked because I was literally loading it in just to test that the frames were in. I could see the trees in the forest, and I start walking and they start fucking moving exactly how I expected the finished product. And the best part is that tree layer, like kind of the dark trees moving around, it's just completely empty. It's literally just those trees with blank space all around, so it's able to just kind of slide over the background image. But yeah, dude, we're really building like a world here. It's kind of sick.
Fuck yeah.
Got a
So fun.
like the mushroom too. Hugh can he jumps, he runs, he can change directions. Not far off from being done. Just needs to attack and get
Yep.
hit. You can even port some of that hit logic from your B.
Yep. Oh
Sweet.
yeah. And the hurt logic in Hue is as easy as checking, like, make each enemy uh a global group. So like I have a
Mhm.
global group snail B, and in Hugh's movement script it checks if the body that enters his hurt area, if the body is in each one is a specific group, it'll do a different thing.
Oh, so it's checking. It's like a filter.
Yeah.
That's actually really smart. If you could at some point maybe teach me a little bit about groups, because I can't deny how like helpful that shit is, but I don't know anything about it. Even back on our first game, I saw you handled player movement, or no, you handled state machine logic with groups,
Yeah.
and I didn't really understand it, but I kind of got the premise. I just don't know how to make a group, how to modify groups, how to assign things to particular groups.
Yeah.
So,
Well, if you just go and uh open up like the B or the player,
right, I'll check
or
out the player.
yeah,
I'm
player,
in the
because I
player
know.
now.
Okay, so if you actually click on the character body node, right,
Yep,
and you go over on the right hand side where you see the inspector, click on the
yep.
node bit. You'll see
Is that this?
signals and groups.
Is that collision shape 2D under the player?
No, that is player itself, the character body 2D, the node that
Oh,
says
my bad.
player.
It just renamed.
Yeah, and then in the inspector on the right hand side of where it says inspector, there's node. You click node, right below it, it says signals or groups. If you click
Whoa.
groups, you can add a group, and you can either have a scene specific group or a global group.
Uh-huh.
If you're using that group, like obviously the enemy and the enemies and the fucking player will be a global thing because you want it to know what's happening in every level, right?
That's right.
Whereas like the scene groups, if you have like a special thing in one scene you needed to know about, you and nothing else needs to know about it, you can put it in the scene groups.
Right. Like a special mini game where you change genders, you could have that as an attribute for your player as part of that
Yeah.
particular group. Like there could be a group called is in cutscene or is in this.
Yeah.
I'm seeing here you made one even for the health pack. That's kind of interesting.
Well, that's because again, Hugh is looking it's checking on its area, and if the area that enters the pickup detector collision shape is in the
Cool.
group health pack, then it does something with the health, right? But
That's
that
nice.
just makes it so you can add 100 fucking health packs throughout the world, and they're all called health pack. They're all in group health pack, so no matter what, it's gonna run that same code. You don't have to have like health pack 1, health pack 2,
Yeah,
you know?
and then queue free health pack 1, health pack 2 every time you've consumed something.
Yeah.
Okay, that's smart. Now, why are some checked and some aren't?
Because the player itself is in group player. It's not
Mhm.
in enemy hitbox or health pack. But if you were to go over to the health pack scene and look at the group, it's checked as the health pack, not the player or the enemy hitbox. Which I need to
But
change that group name to Snail.
that is some dirty shit. I
It
love that.
it makes things really modular.
Yeah, no kidding. Dude, that health pack example is like prime use.
It'll be the same thing for the bees because we're gonna have lots of bees flying around. They're all gonna be in the global group B. So if a bee hits him,
Dude, you're gonna make a hive. I'm gonna make you a
I
hive.
was gonna say we got to figure out some sort of a spawn point maybe for the bees, like higher up,
Yeah.
where there's just
Now,
like one area that's just a shit ton of bees.
now bees are unique. Like all the enemies that I made happen to eat mushrooms. That was kind of my inspo for it.
Yeah,
Do bees, what do we know about bees and mushrooms? Like I'm pretty sure they help pollinate or at least help like
I,
with something.
I have no clue. I just thought we needed something flying around, to be
And we
honest.
do. And we do.
And I wasn't about to do like a bird or something. Like
Yeah, it's
bee
almost
just
like
makes the
too
most
much.
sense that you're traversing the forest, so you're gonna see bees and shit.
Yeah. So how about okay, the relationship between bees and mushrooms is primarily a mutually beneficial one. It's one of those rare cases of symbiosis where they both benefit.
Oh, so it works out that you can ride the bee.
It works out that you can ride the bee, and it makes sense because bees feed on mushroom mycelium. So maybe when the bee hits you, you leak some mycelium, but you don't necessarily take damage, right? And you can ride it. It's just more of a nuisance mob. It can knock you when you're trying to jump between platforms. It'll just bonk you, knock you down.
Okay, so you don't want it to take away the character's health. You just want it to be annoying as fuck.
Eh, what do you think? Because it just running with that theme of like most of the enemies literally eat them. It says here bees do eat the mycelium, so I don't see any harm if we let it damage you a little bit. I just think since they're fast, we gotta kind of balance it because they're. He also said there might be lots of them. They're a bit of a quicker mob. We kind of need to account for that.
We'll have to see. Maybe we'll add. I'll make a branch or something and add a bunch of the bees to
Hmm.
the main scene or something.
To be fair, we don't even have other enemies in, so there's no real like metric for how difficult these enemies are, like relative to each other.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean overall,
Hold on, I
I'm
gotta take this call.
yeah, no worries.
Holy. Where the fuck did you go? Kilo? Guy just dips. That's okay. Dude, this is so fucking sick. I'm just in love with it. It looks awesome. Hey, get away from me. It's just so fucking sick.
Yo,
Yo.
sorry, dude. I was taking pictures of our game and sending it to everyone I know.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm so happy with the B and like the parallax it's in now. Like it feels like the game's ready to be assembled. I think for the rest of the day, I'm gonna touch up. I'm gonna touch up the parallax, um, art. So I'll go back to my iPad. I'm noticing lots of little pixels missing and dots and gaps and shit. So I'll touch it up and make it nice, and then yeah, I guess it's on to level design for me.
Why the fuck is that not? How come it won't pull it from me? I
Oh,
no test ground. Oh no 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 no. Oh,
you can always revert a commit or like undo a commit as well.
oh, load. Please tell me it's there. Okay, it's there.
Nice. Um, I can make a local backup at this point in time. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I mean, probably be
We
smart
don't,
to have a backup.
yeah, we don't really need it, but knowing me, we really need this. Um, I'll just say git branch backup main underscore. What's the date? November 19th.
Fucking heck. I just
right?
I just can't get over it. That looks so cool. What an
Right,
improvement.
just watching the tree, like, as you move up in front of it and then behind it, like, horizontally, you can watch it fucking, like, shift to account for that difference. So, now imagine some trees passing in front of you, right? Um, some behind you, some in front of you, some bushes behind you, some in front of you. Like, we're gonna add 2, 3 more layers of everything. It's gonna really pull it together. I did make a backup. I'm gonna keep it local. Let me know if you need access to it. I'll make it remote for you.
Cool.
But you said yours is fine, so it's fine.
Um, test grounds, create a branch, layer, the cohesion. That's not how you spell that, I don't think, but that's okay. Oh my god.
Damn, bro, it really feels like you're in a dark fucking forest.
Right?
It's kind of scary. It's like that's what I was thinking, or that's where I think my girlfriend was going with that too. Just talking about tone matching, just make the grass like these kind of darker, more ghostly kind of shades of green. I was like, that's not a bad idea. I'm just lazy. I almost like it though. Like I like that the foreground is a little bit different.
Yeah. It kind of brings it, like, pops it out from the background.
Agreed. It's like,
And it is still pretty dark. Like, it's nothing like like the original artwork.
yeah, yeah. And again, like I saved that. I assumed you had the original
I do.
PNG. Okay, sweet. But yeah, for the sake of this project, I was like, let's just make our own custom. Like, I think I called it Bofa's Mo Tiles mod, or like just called it Mo Tiles Plus or something like that. Yeah, that's what it is. I called the resource Mo Tiles Plus, and it has all your OG stuff, plus like some of your plants, but I ripped them out of background. So now those are just there for any future game you want. Like you have grass, you have some plants, some shrubs, some rocks. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fucked up your water texture, but I
Yeah, the
figured you
water
wouldn't
texture
care.
was kind of fucked up anyway.
Yeah, I
I
like
didn't
yours
like
more
it.
than mine.
Well, that was all for like a fishing game. That's why it's kind of more bright and everything.
Oh yeah,
Supposed to be like a, I don't know what the fuck. Uh,
it's cute. I like the sparkle or the
like a cozy game type beat, you know?
Stardew almost, or like I could kind of see that. It looks marshy, like a little bit
Yeah.
like a wetland. That's crazy that you like. I wonder when you made that. Probably a couple years ago.
What?
That tile set.
No, that was fucking April.
Oh, it's pretty fresh.
Yeah, somewhere around there. I don't know. I'd have to go back to really figure it out. Because
I don't
I
know. I
was
thought
gonna
it was
start
cute.
working on that fishing game, and then we started talking, and I was like, "Fuck yeah, let's build some
You're
shit."
like, you're like, yeah, this guy's gonna distract me and not help me on anything for 2 months.
Nah, we've worked on this is further than I got in my game. My game, it was just some houses and a block that you could walk around.
Okay.
There was nothing there other than a character and like some sprites and shit and a movement script. So
Yeah, I think we're like a few lines of game loop short of an actual game. Um, like at this point, it could just be the waves thing is its own game. It could be literally just a side scroller, right? We could turn this into an open world if we really wanted.
yep.
Yeah, it's like with each new step, we're getting access to more and more shit. I can't stop looking at it, dude. I just keep walking around. I'll come aggro this bee, just have him fucking chase me across the bottom of the map. I see what you're talking about with that clipping now on the plants.
Yeah.
It's gonna work. Oh, I gotta make the spawn animation. You're literally gonna pop out of the ground like a little mushroom.
That'd be sick.
Yeah. And then I thought every time you die, we just include that in the dying logic. It just plays that animation. You pop out of the ground, good to run again.
But here's something artistic to run by you. When
Mhm.
he's doing like going to get like to connect to the forest or whatever,
Mhm.
I've been trying to rack my head on how we're gonna make that like appear, you know? Like what does it look like in the game?
Yeah, like a glowing spot on the ground.
Why not
Or
just make it like like a big bunch of mushrooms or like a berry circle? I don't know if you've ever heard of that.
yes, I like that. And that honestly
So
kind
he's
of
technically connecting to the other mushrooms in the network, you know?
what that's how they do it, right?
Right?
Because they span across the forest. They could be kilometers apart and connect to each other. So I like that. Okay. So you find a bunch of mushrooms, and correct me if I'm wrong here, sounds like it could also be glowing. So it's kind of both our ideas, right?
Yep.
Glowing mushrooms. So you connect these glowing mushrooms, and then boom, this EM Waves mini game pops up. This is kind of the first time this happens, and I honestly still have to tweak a couple things.
Hmm.
But I like that. I think that works fine. Basically, just saying like, hey, here's a thing that you do as a mushroom. You connect to the mycelium, to the network. And now
Um,
Hugh has kind of a goal as he traverses the map. Have you gotten the waves to match before?
yeah, but they don't exactly match. Like they're always
It's hard.
yeah, they never actually go the same speed.
I have gotten it. You're either doing the
I
the
haven't I,
wavelength or the speed.
I haven't done it in a minute, but
Oh, yeah. See, it used to randomize them to increments that were unattainable by the player. I have since fixed that as well
okay,
because it
that
used,
makes more sense cuz I was
yeah,
like, how the
dude.
fuck am I supposed to make this work?
Yeah, it used to be like a random float between 0 and 1, for example, and it could return like 0.33578. You know, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then instead what I did is I was like, okay, let's do the same thing, but let's increment it. Like cap it at 0.2s or 0.1s or 0.05s. And then similarly for the player's controller of that stat, the sliders, I set those to specifically increment at the random increment that those numbers are selected for the target. So now the player can only ever increment along the same increments that the target is randomized between, allowing you to actually match it. Because before, again, it was like if speed was 1.33576, you could only snap speed to like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So that you were just missing all this precision for the actual speed.
Like it looks like are matching waves, but they never actually like
Sync up.
sync up. Yeah.
So that means the wavelength is off. What you want to do is get them, match the speed so that the bases are staying the exact same distance apart across the entire wave. And then I like to change the wavelength at the bottom. A way to cheese it is to expose um, like the runner, so you can see new lines. And I actually have some test statements in there. It'll start printing like crazy once you match one of the statistics.
Oh shit! I almost have it matched.
Nice. Yeah. So just go through until you start seeing all of them. You'll know you have more than one matched because it like doubles the speed at which it's printing lines because now it's printing, speed and amplitude or like whatever the fuck. Yeah, so now all that's missing is my speed, and it looks like I just have to increase it slightly. And then it should say the puzzles match.
Hmm.
Needs a bit of work still, but
Is there any way to slow down like the actual animation speed of it going across the screen like that?
it's printed in real time, so
Oh,
no. Yeah, that's actually yeah, remember you were shocked there's like no art assets until I added the skull and shit?
yeah.
That's all because it's printing with real time like sine function math. But I'm sure there is a way.
Speed matched.
I mean, my
Amplitudes
shit,
match.
mine's perfect right now. Like I don't think I've ever had it this close. But it's still not printing that the speeds match.
Amplitudes match. Speeds match.
And I'm willing to bet there's some errors in my code as well, preventing preventing us from kind of telling where the perfect matches occur. Like I don't think my print statements are completely right. So
Hmm. So B is now part of B enemy. I had to change that, but
oh,
I'm gonna just quickly plug in. Okay. Pickup detector, damage area. This
sorry,
glyph,
buddy.
yeah. Should be a body.
A lifeless bee corpse. Oh.
Damage area. Want to signals area entered, body entered. Entered if body is in group be me to body Clear. And body exited. That. That. Here. Paste it. Change it to body. Area. Now we should have knockback and damage from the bee.
Okay, sweet.
Well, we definitely don't knock back. Bee knocks back. Okay. Or not. Bee. Let's try that again. I'm not taking away my health. Why? Do I set the knock? Player hurt. That should just fucking work. Faster. Too. Need that. Fucking rectangle to hill. Damage area. That. Okay. That should maybe help. Not working. Let's go. Aha!
You got it?
Yep.
Nice, dude. Nice.
But now we can't ride it until I figure out how to do the check. Oh, what the fuck am I stuck on? Oh, that'd be okay. Okay. Make it work.
Oh, shit. the masculine urge to go buy a vape when you're trying to quit vaping.
Yeah, it is real.
Do you vape?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Well, I mean, no, I don't. I mean,
But I'm trying to quit smoking.
yeah, I don't want to quit, but I do. But I should. You have a vape right now?
Yeah.
Disposable or battery?
The fucking Caliburn.
A classic.
Yeah.
I'm a true man of culture.
Yeah.
I had the original. I had the G1, and I had the G3.
Yeah, that's good. Pretty light.
Nice. Beats out the G2. I'll tell you that for free. The G2 is basically the, like, I really want to vape, but especially if it just squirts hot juice all over my teeth. Like, that's kind of the vape you were going for in the market.
Why, oh, why, oh, why?
Fellas out here snitching. They with the rat pack.
Hmm. Can do it. Oops. What? That should be. I don't know why it just worked and then stopped working.
Oh, classic.
Oh, okay. So that's doing something.
Working again.
Yep. Oh. Hmm. You hit the B. That's working now.
Here's Tommy Snitch. That with the rat pack. Oh.
Hmm. Well, I
Can
mean,
we
that
just get an artist for the next game, bro?
she would just get an artist.
Yeah, I was just like I just got hit with an epiphany based off what you said the other day. If we hire out, we could literally just be developers.
Yep.
So, so it's a little more time for the important stuff. It's just here's my qualm. I've barely made anything in Godot. Like our projects are kind of the extent of it. So I don't want to show up and be like, hey, amazing artists, I want to use your stuff for this very mid game. You
I think
know?
a better way of going about it would maybe finding like another person we know
Yeah.
that's like into it.
I don't know. I know people that are good at the stuff I want, but they won't do it. Like they don't see the merit. Or they're like, I'm like, hey, join this contest with me. You stay home and literally nothing changes and you just send me some art you have. And they're all of a sudden they're freaked out because it's a competition. Like, dude, no one's like we're not gonna win. So fucking chill out. I need art.
Yeah.
Same with Buddy with the music. Like I've sent you 20 tracks from him. He probably has 400. Like all same quality, just bangers, every single one, and he won't release them.
I don't know. I think the difference, like maybe they just don't want their shit seen or they're afraid of being judged. Like when I
Yeah,
started doing this, I started live streaming it. Like as soon as I decided I'm gonna make a game, I started live streaming it and I knew absolutely nothing.
that's
Nothing.
terrifying.
It took
That
me
is
months.
terrifying.
Eh,
Dude, that sounds like have you seen people do that? It's like a detox for rejection. It's like rejection therapy. That's basically what you did. You're like, guys, watch me make a game, and then you're streaming, and you're like, so I don't know how to do anything yet.
Yeah, well, and it's kind of crazy though, because I was like live streaming at like 3 in the morning onward, because my sleep schedule was fucked then.
Yeah.
And the amount of people from Australia that were like
Really?
game devs and shit would pop into my chat. Like I had a few of them, and they'd actually offer me advice and like tell me what I'm doing wrong and shit.
Wow, that's actually really cool, man.
Yeah.
Damn.
So once I figured out if a person's just being a dick, just ban them.
Yeah.
And fucking, most people are there to like watch you do it or help you figure it out. Like,
Or chill, right?
yeah,
It's
well,
like,
either they're new themselves and they're trying to see how other people do it, or they do it themselves and they're just bored and watching other people do it.
right.
So,
Well, yeah, think about that. Well, maybe I should start streaming. I, I could stream with you.
that's for you to decide, my guy.
Yeah.
I won't
I
push you into doing that shit. It is fun, but like a whole nother layer of shit.
yeah. I mean, I know the basics. I think I had my Twitch stuff set up through OBS as well. Um, is that what you use, by the way? Twitch?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, yeah, like I have the basics down, but I don't have like a flushed out profile. I don't have a schedule for streaming. Like I don't have all the streamer stuff or like the YouTuber stuff. I don't really have that set up. Also have a shitty microphone, so
It's not too bad.
yeah, could just use my phone.
Ugh. So that's cool. That works.
My buddy just picked up a 2013 Taurag. Got some issues, so I got a text half an hour ago. He's like, "Hey, my front axle's fucked. Can you come hang out? I'm like, bro, just ask me for help. Don't say you're gonna hang out.
It's not a hangout. You're volunteering me to fucking fix your stuff.
Yeah, like it is not going to be a hangout. It's going to be me helping you hold something in the rain for 2 hours.
Yep, if not longer.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking mechanics, nothing ever really goes right.
Never, dude. Also, it's like, yeah, we'll just bare hand fucking mount this axle. Yeah, that's right.
In there.
Us, two 140-pound men, we're going to hold and carry this 200-pound axle and hold it up.
Yep.
And somehow you always do. It's just like, fuck. Pay a mechanic.
Hey, a mechanic. Hmm.
All right, buddy. I am going to help him with his axle real quick, though.
Yeah,
You said it will only be a couple hours, but you know how that can go.
yeah. Yep. Well, I
Um,
just finished up with the player shit, so I'm gonna quickly uh
Mhm.
player gets hit hurt.
I can actually pull that to main right away if you'd like.
Yeah, I'm gonna just create pull to my dev test.
Probably annoying as fuck. Let me move this.
No conflicts. No
Nice.
conflicts.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, you can merge my dev test to main now.
Okay. That would be test grounds, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
I know I've had to make multiples because every once in a while they just fucking die. They won't
Yep.
update, and I'm like, man, why is it doing this to me?
It's as simple as I change the order of nodes in the main scene tree. And then when we both commit changes, I pick the wrong one. I add both changes. Nothing seems to ever work. So that's where this like, dude, I've done all three. I've kept your change, I've kept my change, and I've committed both changes. I've never had a successful complaint merge. If something changes in main, it is literally easier to discard my changes, absorb all the shit you did, and then use the last 24 hours of what I learned to just rebuild the thing in 5 minutes, like I did with Parallax today. But again, never done Parallax before, literally my first time ever. This will be easier for our next game. And I expect the same for literally everything we've done together. So
Yeah.
I'm genuinely happy with our progress. Like I'm not ashamed at all by my poor GitHub skills. I view this as like a learning opportunity.
Hell yeah, dude.
So yeah, it has been annoying, and I'm sorry for all the back and forth and all
Oh,
that
fuck.
shit.
It's fine.
Yeah,
All working out kinks.
yeah. Player gets hurt by B, but like our system now seems pretty good. Even the parallax issue I had yesterday was so much less stressful than how it would have been 2 weeks ago, right? Oh my god, dude, we're about to hit our 100th commit.
A lot.
That's actually so sick. Like we need to buy a cake or something.
Okay.
We need to throw a party.
Wonder what my profile looks.
Yeah, dude, I checked mine. I was like, I went from absolute GitHub scrub to like active almost every day in October and November,
Yeah.
which I'm not gonna lie, feels pretty fucking good
I have
looking back at that.
651 contributions in the last year.
That's cool. And it's also like 490 of those are like undo last commit. Or like,
It's still
you know what I mean?
absolutely nothing compared to 2024. I had 1,996 commits in 2024.
I was picking through your GitHub. I was like when we first met, I was like, dude, this guy's a fucking monster.
I was
What does he
mostly
do all
all
day?
fucking CS50. I've been unemployed. I do nothing. It sucks.
Dude, I looked it up. I was like, 1,900 commits? That's like 300 commits a day.
Yep.
That like, that's fucking unhealthy. I don't think that's possible. I think you had a bot running, bro.
No, no bots. That was all just me.
That's actually nuts.
Fucking no lifing it. Yeah.
What were you committing? Like each new line?
No, well, it was like when it was the school thing, we had to commit all the time,
Right,
or else it would like break. And then when I
right.
was making my game, like holy hell, it was like every day I'd commit like 60 times a day because I'd fucking fix something and commit it, and then it would have broken something else, and then I'm like fuck, and then I'm fixing things all over the place. Yeah.
Commit. Got bubbles working. Commit. Undo got bubbles working.
Yeah.
Broke bubbles. Bubbles not working.
Yeah.
It's like that insta meme, like, wait. Like that's literally what that makes me think of is man, every time Mo's like this poor guy works on our game together trying to help, and then he can't even like push his changes. What a fucking ugh. For such a like this day and age system and such a seamless like online virtual collaborative experience, it is so not user friendly.
No.
Like
I think that's a purposeful thing too.
like to weed out who can code and who can't.
Yeah.
Also, premise, like we literally had a phone call to discuss the order in which things merge and things like that. Like I don't know if everyone does that. And I think it's cool to see that they almost force you into that. If you're going to use this software to work with others or work for a company, you need to streamline the
Yeah.
way we think about it.
Yeah. Absolutely. It is pretty
Not
fucking cool.
inherently bad.
Not completely.
Yeah. Okay, so you did cohesion into that looks like it says cohesion with that H. So that got merged into Mo Test Grounds. So
Yes.
Test Grounds is the new stable.
Yes.
Okay. So get status. I'm on main. Get pull origin Mo Test Grounds. Get status. Get add dash A. Get push. No. Get commit
I've only been
dash N.
streaming for 4 hours, and it feels like I've been going all day.
Dude, that's how I felt playing like streaming Fortnite for one match, and I get like second or third place, but just to lose it in the end. I was like, fuck this. It's not even terrible attitude.
I used to do uh, Apex Legends and a lot of Black Ops fucking uh, Cold War.
No way, you're a Cold War guy.
Well, up until I didn't like Black Ops 4,
Mm-hmm.
and Black Ops 3 was the last good Black Ops, to be honest, and that was
Yeah,
marginally good. But yeah, I played a lot of fucking Cold War, like a lot.
yeah, it was fun. I personally really liked it.
Ugh.
Dude, I'm reading the comments on that meme I sent you. So good. It's like this guy, 55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 commits, 55 merge requests, 55 new bugs. Next guy says, get push dash force. I've used that to fix and break our games at least 10 times. And then this guy right underneath says, like total separate comment. I don't know who needs to hear this, but get push dash force is not the answer. And all these comments underneath are saying, bro, that is the answer.
It is the only. It's the way. It is the one and
Yeah.
only way.
Then some guy underneath that goes, just create your own branch and make sure everything is okay before you merge.
I'm gonna send you a short. This guy I fucking watch on
Yeah.
YouTube. So fucking.
Do it, do it. I was looking for a comment I read earlier this morning because it was like, it had me dying, dude. It was about committing, and it was like, get commit dash M added bugs. That was it.
I've done that to myself.
Added bugs.
Added bugs.
What?
Fuck yeah.
I said it builds on my machine. I didn't say it runs.
Whatever we do, just don't push on a Friday. No pushing to
Yeah,
production on Fridays.
yeah. Don't ruin everybody's weekend. Oh my god, dude! I just changed 38,000 lines. We need to retrain the whole team. Get this guy his own team.
Okay, so Maine is still.
I, I like this guy. He's funny.
Yeah,
Looks foreign.
he's so fucking funny, man. He has so many different fucking shorts out there that are like, unless you're like actually doing shit in development or you're like watching other people and like know some lingo, like you won't understand a lot of it, but that's just so fucking funny.
I'm literally typing added bugs
Added
as an
bugs.
Easter egg. I was saying added bugs and then in brackets the beacon. What'd you add? He can you fix the knockback and the flying thing, right?
Yeah, but I gotta make it so that the player doesn't get hurt.
I'm just gonna say added bugs.
Added
I don't give a
bugs.
fuck. Yeah, it's okay. People will know. Oh, uh, added bug. Okay. Get push dash force. Origin mains. Classic.
Ugh. So glad that I have long hair to hide the fact that I'm balding from all this stress.
From Hugh Fungus.
Just from all of it. The last two
So this
years of learning this shit of just like, I'm surprised I'm not gray already.
dead ass, yeah. I've been in it for under a year, but I'm already feeling it. I'm getting beard hairs, man. The white beard hairs. But with each bug fix, one of them turns back to gray. I gain a bit of color back.
Oh, fuck. We're gonna make some fucking buttered chicken after this.
Well, that sounds good. I'll hit the spot.
Yep.
Look at this fucking thing. Oh, is there a bug now? I can't run to the right.
What?
Yeah. I'm clipping on something, probably that plant.
Oh, yeah, I had to change the the size of the character's collisions shape.
Yeah.
So now it's like too big to fit through
some of
underneath.
this.
Yeah, I gotta change some of the map stuff.
Frankly, that's a non-issue, seeing as this is all kind of test map
Yeah.
anyway. But yeah. Oh my god, dude, I fucking love the parallax. Now we have the bee in too. You can just fly your ass up. Yeah, this is sick. Also, he's aggressive. I
Yep.
like it.
I really wanted to make it feel like you're getting chased.
Yeah, you did a good job with that. Oh yeah, okay. I can hit him on top as well now.
Yeah, so I gotta make it so when the enemy's Y sort is like, or direction Y is going down, he doesn't take damage from B.
Hmm.
Because then you can ride him and it won't take your life away.
Right. You can jump up, and then the instant you start falling, the
Yeah.
bee is now going to come in contact with you. Your Y is negative, so it passes the check.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. This is I really want to build up higher and just make a majority of the game take place like up in the branches. Like this is just so cool. Like it feels like you're climbing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
And like
Or
flying on the fucking bee, dude, like well, I can't now, but soon we'll have that again.
that was a
That
total
is so
accidental fun thing that I
that
discovered.
is
Yes.
so cool. Like that's the type of shit you leave in for the fans and people talk about it like 10 years later.
It's when bugs become fucking whatchamacallit. Sorry, I'm fucking
Stable.
distracted.
No, you're good. But yeah, every game has it. Like the creeper was a bug.
Yeah. Yep. Bugs become features pretty quick sometimes.
Yeah. Added new feature, bug.
Yeah.
Commit added bugs. I love the death animation. Keep replaying just to fucking kill the bee. Oh wait, I can just play this on the bee in slow motion as well. Let me take a look. Mr. B.
Alright. I am done with this for
As am I.
some fucking dinner. So I'm gonna let you go. Have fun helping with a tie rod or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. I can just let you know when I'm back in, or
Yep.
if you're. You said you're done for the night.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna go cook. My girlfriend's coming over, but she can fucking deal with it.
Yeah, whatever happens, happens. Keep me posted if you change some stuff, or if you need a merge or anything. Let me know.
All right.
Cool, bro.
Peace.
Nice chatting.
Yeah, man. Got
Cool.
lots done.
Catch you in a bit. Yes,
Peace.
sir. Peace.
I am fucking done for the day. That was some cool stuff. We made some cool stuff. I like making cool stuff. Thanks for watching.